Hello everyone, I'm back with yet another session of counter. In the last class we learned what is counter and we learned the important points related with counter. So before starting the session, I would like to give you the recap of the last session. First of all, we discussed the counter is a sequential circuit and which is very complex. The design of counter is very complex. And the second point associated with counter that we discussed in the last session is that counter is a circuit which produces any combination of binary digit either in increasing order or decreasing order. If the counter is producing by the combination of binary digits in increasing order, then it is up counter. If it is producing by combination of binary digits in decreasing order, then this is known as down counter. Another point related with counter is designed using JK flip-flop. We also learned about the counter that counter are synchronous and asynchronous. Counters are up counter, down counter and up down counter. These things were discussed in the last session. Now in this class and in upcoming few classes, we are going to learn the internal design of various counters. Today we are going to learn 2-bit negative aged asynchronous up counter. Whenever we talk about counter, we talk about its type, and the counters are classified on the various bases. This 2-bit signifies that counter has two output lines. See, suppose this is the block diagram of a 2-bit counter. So it will have two output lines and it will have only one input line, which is known as trigger line. This is A and this is B. Just look this block diagram only. The block diagram drawn inside the box. When you trigger the counter, the A and B is going to produce 0 and 0. When you will trigger it again, then it will produce 0, 1. Trigger it again, it will produce 1, 0. And again, it will produce 1, 1. Now look at this truth table. This truth table shows you that this circuit is producing a combination of binary digits in ascending order. Am I right? 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1 is a combination of binary digits in ascending order. So we can call this circuit as counter. This is the nature of the counter. Either it will produce the combination of binary digits in ascending order or in descending order. Now, 2-bit means only two output lines. Negative aged. What do you mean by negative aged? See, that thing must be clear to everyone that counter is designed using JK flip-flop. So we have one and we have another JK flip-flop. This is the design. Every flip-flop has aged. Age. This is, age. And if the small circle is embedded here, signifies that this is negative aged. So if the flip-flop used to design counter circuit has negative aged flip-flop, then the counter will be known as negative aged. Now, what do you mean by synchronous and asynchronous? When all JK flip-flops are activated every time the counter is triggered, then this is known as synchronous counter. This is the nature of the synchronous counter. But if the JK flip-flops available inside the counter are not triggered, all counters, all JK flip-flops available inside the counter are not triggered every time the counter is triggered, signifies that the counter is asynchronous. So asynchronous are simple in design and simple to understand in comparison to synchronous counter. So we will start with asynchronous. Now 2-bit negative is asynchronous. Now come to up counter. Up counter, if the counter produces the combination of binary digits in ascending order, then it is up counter, and if the counter produces binary digits in descending order, then it is known as down counter. There is also one possibility up down counter, and there is also one possibility down up counter. There are various types. So here we are, in this case, we are going to learn up counter. So this is the most simple type of counter. We will start with it. Here, now come to this circuit diagram. This is one JK flip-flop. This is another JK flip-flop. This is the output line of JK flip-flop. This is B line. The first JK flip-flop is B line, and the second JK flip-flop A line. It goes in just reverse order. Now you can see this is edged. Edge means this is J, this is K, this is Q, and this is Q bar. No edge, it signifies that it is latch, it is not flip-flop. If it has an edge like this, then it is a positive edged flip-flop. If it has edge like this, then it is negative flip-flop, negative edge flip-flop. So what we are using? We are using negative edged JK flip-flop. It means to be negative edge flip-flop, negative edge counter. Now you see the starting. I'm going to delete this truth table. Now see what will be the starting value of B and A. B0, A0. Obviously the starting value of any flip-flop will be 0, 0. Now this is trigger line. This is trigger line. What you have to do? You have to produce, you have to put 1. You can put 0, you can design the counter which will trigger with 0 also, but you need to make some changes here in the design. Here I am having, here I have drawn the design of the counter which will be triggered with 1. So when you send 1, see 1 will come here, 1 will come here, and the 1 will pass through NOT line which will convert it to 0. It is a negative edged flip-flop which is triggered when the 0 is found on its gate line. And in the case of JK flip-flop, what happens if J and K receives 1 toggle? It is known as toggle state. So 0, here we have 0 which will be converted into 1. Note it down, 1. And when this 1, the gate of next flip-flop is connected with the output line of the first flip-flop. So this 1 will be passed to the gate line of next JK flip-flop, and what will happen? It is not going to open the door, because unless the negative edge flip-flop will receive 0, the gate will not get open. So its earlier value was 0 and it will remain with 0. Note it down. Don't forget this value for the next state. Again I am going to trigger it. Put 1 here, 1, 1, and this 1 will pass through NOT gate and it will be converted to 0. When it will receive 0, the J and K gate will get open and 1, 1 will get inserted. And 1, 1 is a toggle state. What is the value? 1, which will be toggled to 0. See, note it down. B is producing 0, B is producing 0, and this 0 will be sent to the gate line of next JK flip-flop. Now this 1 1 coming from here will be inserted, and it will also toggle. What is the last value? 0, and it will be toggled to 1. It will produce 1. See. Don't forget that right now it is containing 0 and it is containing 1. Trigger it again. Put 1 here. 1, 1. That 1 will come to JK also, and 1 will pass through NOT gate and it will get open. JK will receive 1, 1 and it will toggle. 0, 0 will convert it to 1. It will produce 1. Note it down. 1. Now this 1 will be sent to the gate line of the next flip-flop. 1. What happens when the negative edge flip-flop gate line will receive 1? The J and K will not receive any data. So what will happen? It will continue with the same state, 1. Now look at the truth table. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. No. What we started to learn, 2-bit negative asynchronous up counter. It is producing the binary digit in ascending order. So hope you understood the session. In the next class we will learn 2-bit negative aged asynchronous down counter. Thanks for joining the session. Bye bye. Hope you are safe, taking care of yourself. Take care. Bye.